So I'm back again today with another set of repairs. I'm going to set this post on this handicap ramp, and I'm going to point up some of this mortar joints on this blockwork. So let's get started. So I've got the hole for the post cleaned out and ready for the cement. I've got a gauge line here on the side of the concrete to gauge where I need to set the post to. And I've got the hole ready. All I need to do is pour in the cement. I'm going to use this anchoring cement. Whoa. I went too far the other way. Way too much powder. Jeez. I am not a mason. That looks pretty good. Okay, there we go. I'm going to use this bungee cord and some shims to lock this in place. Alright, it's been about a half an hour, so we're going to take this off and see how we turned out here. Oh yeah, that is solid. Looks good. I'm going to move on to pointing up the block. So I'll start by knocking out all the loose mortar. I'm going to use this backer rod to close up some of these large vertical gaps. Here's the mortar. Now I'll start pointing up the block. Just going to wet it first, that way I get good adhesion. So I'm by no means a mason. I just wanted to point up this stone so it wouldn't get any structural damage from the water coming in. It's been open like that for some time and it's needed repair for even longer. So I hope you like watching me check these items off my list. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.